Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. There's more we can explore. Let's not forget about the power of comparing prices. Before making any purchase, take a moment to research prices online. Use apps or websites that compare prices across stores, ensuring you never overpay. Small differences add up, and that bit of extra effort can lead to significant savings. Don't underestimate the value of patience and diligence in your buying process. Being a smart shopper not only enhances your budget but also empowers you to make informed decisions. Lastly, always remember to review your budget regularly. This keeps you accountable and allows adjustments for unexpected expenses. With a little planning and awareness, you can thrive financially. Consider looking into community resources that can further aid in your quest for frugal living. Many local organizations offer free workshops on budgeting, cooking, and DIY skills. Engaging in these activities not only expands your knowledge but also connects you with like-minded individuals. Networking within your community can provide insights and opportunities that you may not encounter alone. Embracing this collective approach to saving can open new doors and elevate your financial well-being. Remember, financial literacy isn't just a solo journey. It's a community effort that enhances your overall experience. Stay curious and proactive. Additionally, consider exploring local farmers markets. They often offer fresh, organic produce at lower prices compared to grocery stores. Supporting local farmers not only benefits your health but also contributes to the economy. Try to make it a weekend ritual, enabling you to enjoy the atmosphere and meet the farmers directly. Each visit can yield great savings while encouraging a healthier lifestyle. This way, you nourish your body and budget. By adopting these strategies, you'll not only save money but also foster a deeper appreciation for the value of your resources. Remember, frugal living is not about sacrificing quality, it's about making smarter choices. Embrace these tips, and watch your savings grow as you live beautifully within your means. Keep thriving. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, like, speech balloon comments, bell subscriptions.